Friends, you can see there are many cars parked here. It's look very nice. Wow, this is drug line excavator. It's very powerful, guys. Wow, it's very beautiful. Wow, this is road roller. It look very nice. Let's see what else is here, guys. Wow, what is this? This is drum truck. Let's park it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a police motorbike. Wow, look friend, look. What is this? This is a concrete mixer truck. Let's see what else, guys. This is a excavator truck. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. It's very beautiful, guys. Wow, look friend, look. Wow, this is a ambulance car. It looks very nice. Let's see what else is here. Wow, what is this? This is luxury bus. Look friends, look, it's very beautiful, guys. Wow, what is this? This is drum truck. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. Let's park it here. Wow, what is this? This is Tata Sumo car. Let's park it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, what is this? This is wild container truck. Guys, this car carries oil. Very beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a school bus. It look very nice. Let's see what else is here. Wow, this is garbage truck. Wow, look friends, look. What is this? This is a water container truck. Let's park it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, what is this? This is monster car. This monster car is very powerful, guys. Wow, what is this? This is drug line excavator. This drug line excavator is very powerful, guys. Wow, what is this? This is excavator truck. Let's park it here. Look friends, look. Wow, this is a cement mixer truck. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a robot car. Let's park it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, what is this? This is a wheel excavator. This wheel excavator is very powerful, friend. Wow, what is this? This is a bullet train. Friends, this train runs very fast. Wow, what is this? This is a school bus. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. Wow, this is a excavator truck. Let's part it here, friend. It's look very nice. Wow, this is a garbage truck. Friends, work to clean this car. It's very beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a jeep car. Let's part it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a ambulance car. Friends, this car takes people to the hospital. Let's see what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a police car. Wow, this looks so cute, guys. Let's part it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a well-trained canner truck. Guys, this car carries well. It's very beautiful, guys. Wow, what is this? This is skid steer loader. Let's part it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a Thomas train. Friends, this train is walled. It's very beautiful. What is this? This is a car carriage truck. Friends, this car carriage truck is very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a truck. Let's part it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, guys, look. This is a big RC bus. It look very nice, guys. Wow, look, guys, we have loaded our tractor. Now we will leave, guys.